Welcome to the second episode of this series, and now we have a scramble where there are a lot of 4-move layers. So on red we have 2, for example. We can insert this corner into here in 3 moves, and then we have a 1-move insert left. Or we can bring this corner to here, and then we have this 3-mover left. But on blue, for example, we also have this 4-move layer, so we can insert this one into here in 2 moves. And then we have these 2 mover left, which you can solve in either of these 2 ways. And on orange, we also have a 4-move layer. We can insert this corner into here. And then we can solve these 2 corners in 3 moves, like this. And then in a real solve, I would probably go for red, because I would really easily recognize this bar. And this case is also pretty easy to one-look, because if you bring the corner to here, we have this 3-mover, and this 3-mover is really easy to one-look, because these 2 corners will just stay in the same place, and these centers will also stay in the same place, and the other 3 centers will move like a U-perm. So this one will move to here, this here, and this back to here. So if you apply that to this scramble, so we know these 2 corners will stay in the same place, and with the setup move to the 3-move case, we see that this will move up to here, so the corners will be solved. We also saw that these 2 centers would stay in the same place, and this one isn't affected by the setup move, so this one will stay in the same place and we will move over to here. This one will move over to the top, and we know that will stay in the same place too. So we know this center will move over to here and this one to here. We also saw that the center here, it will move over to here. So we do the setup move to the case, and we see that the U center moves over to here, and then it will move over to here. So we know these 2 will swap, and this one will move over to here. And that means that we have a 2 swap here and a 2 swap here, and solved corners. So that means we have this case, and I would solve it like this. But if you don't use an alg for this, you can set it up to a triple sledge case by doing this, and then do 3 sledges. Then you can undo the setup move.